Hello, Dr. Preeti. Let's play the mindful rapid fire game with you. Have you ever played this before?
No, this is my first time, Divya.
Amazing. So what I'll do is I am going to give you some questions and you give me
Okay.
quick answers with possible solutions to them.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
What's the one mantra for happiness everyone should use?
Okay. So know yourself and then be yourself.
A sure shot way to build healthy relationships.
Okay. One is being authentic, but in addition to that, practicing nonviolent communication. Because sometimes we tend to hurt other if you're just being authentic. So the two have to go together.
Okay. 3 things a self-love or a self-care routine should include.
I would say sleep. Okay. Paying attention to your needs and feelings. So many times when I said sleep, because obviously a lot of the times we are disconnected with our own needs. And probably the third thing would be hobbies. Do take time out for your own hobbies.
Okay. What is the biggest cause of stress and anxiety?
Biggest cause of stress and anxiety is one is not paying attention to yourself. So you start being according to everybody else. The second thing is also being obsessed about something. So we really create a lot of anxiety in our life because we are obsessed about something.
Totally agree. Okay. So what's the first thing people should do when they wake up?
Oh, I would say wish yourself a good morning. Say
Oh,
a
wow.
good morning to your own life energy. Yeah, you acknowledge your own life force. And I think, how do we expect a good morning to somebody else if you don't say that to yourself? So
I'm gonna
do
try
take
that.
5 minutes. Yeah.
Awesome.
Take 5 minutes to connect to yourself before you connect to anybody else.
Noted. What's the best relationship advice you've ever received? Very important one.
Very important one. A relationship or a person doesn't complete you. They only complement you. You're complete in yourself.
And the last one. What's the biggest benefit of practicing mindfulness?
I would say that you stop waiting for joys and happiness to happen and you start experiencing it every moment. You just start connecting with that right now.
Wow. Thank you so much. This was a lot of fun.
That was fun for me as well. Thank you, Divya.